Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin price because we absolutely smashed that bull flag that we saw on yesterday's video, and we're going to look at the new price targets that Bitcoin has because we're seeing a little bit of a reversal. We're going to also check up on our trade that we did on Bybit yesterday, and finally, we're also going to look at a crazy new project that's going to be launching on the 19th of December, which could be one of the most promising projects that we've had so far in the bear market. I'm Crypto Kid, age is just a number, but so is Bitcoin's price, so let's jump into the TA for Bitcoin. Okay, so this is what we're seeing on the Bitcoin price in the 4-hourly chart. So this was yesterday. We hadn't yet broken out from the bull flag. We almost called it perfectly, which was awesome. And, you know, we saw the Bollinger Band squeeze. That meant that we could have either a drastic move to the upside or to the downside, but we had it to the upside because of this, most likely because of this bull flag, and also the parabolic SAR fired a buy, and we were above the EMA ribbons. Now, our take profit initially was at $17,561. However, earlier today, I saw this nice shooting star candle, this doji, so we, if we go to BitGet, I actually put a stop loss. I moved the stop loss higher up so we don't get stopped out, and we make, we close the position in profit. So if we check the funding record, we closed it with some profits, but that's cool. If you follow my Twitter, I put the update there, and also my Telegram channel where I put the exact target which I moved it to. So if you check the description below, I have a free Telegram channel where I post the updates, post the videos, and also these trade updates too, and the news that just come out. So make sure to join the Telegram channel because I make the video later in the day, and when these type of stuff happens, I just update it on the Telegram. So yeah, we had this very nice little reversal candle. It would have been nice to make a trade from here, open the position here, and then trade down to the downside at $17,000, which is our next big resistance. However, it's fine. We missed it. No need to get FOMO. It's okay. So what we're seeing now is that we're seeing a reversal. So our next level of support would be, we need to go into the daily chart to see where our support is. On the daily chart, if we see, we actually, it's still a green candle, but it is a shooting star and after a typical bull trend. So we could potentially see a reversal to the lower, to next lows in the next couple of days. And, around this range would be very nice. So if I just get my rectangle, let's see. So this range is very nice for support that we can see. There's a lot of bouncing in price in this range. So if we just try and make it a bit more accurate, yeah, this would be the range that I would expect that we could fall into, potentially around $16,600 area if we tend to reverse down. However, alternatively, we could again shift this a bit more and just ignore this crazy wick, and we could continue bouncing in this now parallel channel, slash bull flag, and continue a bit more and then break out with higher volume and reach the next level of resistance at $17,560. If we have a look at our oscillators, our stochastic is still heading up, but it's about to cross down, so that's not a good sign. However, RSI is still heading up, and the squeeze mob is still trending high, right? But today, even though we have a green candle, we have red volume. So again, this indicates that we could reverse. So in the short term, I'm seeing that potentially we could reverse down to $16,900. And if we go to the 4-hourly time frame, that would exactly, so we're actually, once we adjusted it on the daily, we can see that we're exactly retesting the support now of this bull flag, but we could probably come down to around $16,900, trend a bit high, a bit more, and then break to the upwards, and this could be a fake out. However, I'm not going to rush into any trade today. We'll see. We'll evaluate tomorrow what's going to happen, because to me there's nothing clear that we should go in and enter into a trade. So the funding rates as well, if we have a look real quick, it's still negative. That means if you take a long position, it's the shorters pay the long position. So according to this, it would be a good time to long, but again, I'm not going to do anything right now. If we look at the crypto bubbles, we can see a lot of the altcoins pumping, even though that we can see, if I need to change it to the week, right? So actually to market cap. Hold on, let's do it to day, and let's do it to performance, right? So there we go. Okay, on the daily, even though that we have a reversal today, altcoins are still pumping. And yesterday I promised that we would look at the market cap dominance of the alts. So hold on, I had it here. If I just check, because right now what I can see is I think the altcoins may have a mega bull run, right? So what is this? Is this it? No, this is the unemployment rate. Hold on, indexes, crypto market, total market cap, excluding Bitcoin. Yeah, this is the one. So this is excluding Bitcoin, right? This is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. I believe this was the index that we're looking at. And it looks like, right, we could potentially break out of Bitcoin's curse and the altcoin season could begin if we break out of these EMA ribbons. And also we're seeing the Bollinger Band squeeze as well, and we're testing the upper Bollinger Band. So potentially if we have some good volume on alts and some good bullish news and we break above these EMA ribbons, altcoins could have its own run and its own bull run separate to Bitcoin. So that would be sensational. We've never seen this happen, so it could be cool to keep a close eye on this. Most definitely. So this is very cool, right? So and on this news, this is the altcoin that I found that could be potentially very, very amazing during this bear market, because it's called Medieval Empires, right? The token is MEE, and I actually have I am working with them right now because I really do love the project, and they're going to be on the Bybit launchpad, so over here, and you can sign up to Bybit using my link in the description below to get a around $4,000 bonus, deposit bonus with your Bitcoin. I mean, I guess it's better than not getting a deposit bonus if you make up your own link. And you can check out the Bybit launchpad, which if you do KYC, I believe, you can sign up to the launchpad. And these are some of the previous tokens that have launched on the Bybit launchpad. They've done very well. Like Gene, it's done 3,900 something percent. Casta, 2,000 something percent. Real. So the last three have done very, very well. I think there are some other ones as well, but they've done genuinely very well. And Medieval Empires is going to be the next one that's going to be on the Bybit launchpad, and they've not put it on the launchpad yet. So it would be a nice time to prepare, get signed up, and be ready with your BitDAO tokens, right? So this would be amazing. And the main reason why this project could be very, very successful is because it is based on the history of Ertuğrul. And Ertuğrul is a Turkish show which has had, it actually broke a Guinness World Record of being streamed almost over 3 billion times globally, and it's on Netflix, and it's super trendy in the Middle Eastern regions and Asia as well. So it's crazy popular, and what they're doing is that, and also it broke some records on YouTube as well. What they're doing is they're creating a play-to-earn game based on Ertuğrul and based on the character. So do some research into the character conquering different tribes, like civilization, and it's genuinely looking like it's going to be an awesome game as well. They have some of the product ready. They even have some land, so it could be awesome, right? They have NFTs, bunch of stuff, land, so make sure you do your own research on this project. But they have their team public, which is a very bullish sign, and we see a lot of stuff going on with them, so make sure to check out them. They're also going to be on different launch pads as well. If you don't want to do Bybit, they're also going to be on different launch pads too, but I personally, Bybit is my favorite for launch pads. So make sure you do your own research into it. I think it could be very successful. They're launching on December 19th, so that's going to be their token launch, right? So, and for me, the way that I learned that you can build a lot of wealth through crypto is through getting into projects early, either before they launch or strategically, right? You have to be very careful when they launch because they pump like crazy usually and then they come down. So you got to be very, very accurate with their timing. And personally, I use assets that I'm, cash that I'm not afraid to lose if I get into these type of stuff. But if you do it right, then you could make a lot of gains. So high risk, high reward, right? So make sure you do your own research, and this could be a phenomenal project. But that is it for today's video, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy the videos. And I'll put the details for the project in the description below. And yeah, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully tomorrow. So take care. Bye bye.